Gold and silver both coming back to their support levels. Now what is going to happen today? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. We'll try to find out the trading behavior of these instruments, the entries and the targets as well. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. And if you are new to the channel and if you are interested into other markets and commodities including crude oil, natural gas, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, Germany, or Nifty. You can watch the other analysis as well. So do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. Let's start the day with gold first. Gold tried to give a breakout and achieved 1860 yesterday, again trading below the critical support levels at 1855. And again, once again, if you see it trading above 1855, then only I will recommend you to go long there. At the same time, you can see it is getting resistance here at 1855 and it is trying to trade below these levels. At the same time, there is a support here at 1847 and 1845. So I will recommend you not to enter in between these levels, that is 1845 to 1855. Once again, the same levels, only above and below these levels we will try to enter. I'll give you the targets towards the end of this analysis. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD has just crossed over on the hourly chart. It is wide divergent and bearish. RSI slightly sloping flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see, one must observe that here is lower highs, here is higher lows. It is trying to consolidate. It is looking for a breakout, and rather I'll recommend, if you see it below 1850 levels itself, yes, you can go short, but there is support at 1847 in 1845 levels, and below this we may see a good break. At the same time, above 1855, definitely it's a good to go long levels. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell. RSI is trading flat here too. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you can see what it is trying to do is, see, this was the reversal, rise, lower highs, then this drop, higher highs, and then again trying to retrace. So precisely trying to trade within this channel is still, and the lows for this channel are again at 1846-47 zone, and hence a very good lows short level is only below 1845. That is very clear. But yes, you can try to initiate at 1850. Maybe you will get $3 to $5 there, or 3 to 5 points of move on gold. And yes, only long entries above 1855. Here too it is confirmed the directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge, and RSI is looking downwards here on the 3-hour chart. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, see, on the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation. Higher lows it is trying to create, lower highs. Here on the near term also there is a lower high here, hence I'll recommend you to go long only above 1855. Very clear once again. So see, every chart is trying to confirm the entries there. Below 1850, definitely it may try to drop for 1847 and 1845 levels. Below that we may see a sharper drop. Directional movement is bullish on the 4-hour chart. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is trying to converge here. It is right now bullish, may try to converge and crossover for a sell entry. RSI is trading with a negative slope or sloping downwards here. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, look at these two candles, the previous day's candle and day before yesterday's candle. See, previous day's candle ended in a doji there, and see the lower of this channel, the lower end of this channel is at 1850 here too. Also it is the median of the channel there. So see, if it breaks below 1850, yes, you can remain short. Then 1847, 1845 will definitely be a support, and below that we may see it breaking to 1840, which is a stronger support. If it fails below this, then yes, you can expect a sharper drop. So yes, one can remain short below 1850, it appears. So you can take a short entry somewhere at around 1849.5 and 1849 levels. Those levels should be good. At least we are keeping some cushion, let it take some direction, then you can take a short entry there. And yes, on the upside, if it trades above 1855, go long there. So this is what is apparent here. Stochastic is looking upward. The MACD is trading green, trading flat, and RSI trading flat. Considering this, go short at 1849.5 levels. And yes, see, it has got some very strong support. First target 1847, next 1845. If these two levels are taken, if it breaks below these two levels, then there is definitely a stronger drop for 1840, 1836 and below levels. So till 1845, trade with caution. And at the same time, if it rises beyond 1855.5, or rather I will say 1856, Beyond 1856, go long again. Above 1856, the target is towards 1860, 1865 and 1870 levels. So take your positions accordingly and always trade with strict stop loss, and always keep revising your stop loss to cost. Similarly, if you look at silver, see silver below 2210 is very bearish here. It is appearing to give a drop, but at the same time 2200 is the level which is giving it a support. So in between 2200 and 2210, I will not recommend you to take any trade there in silver today. And directional movement is bearish, stochastic is near to bottom, and MACD is divergent for a sell-off. RSI is trading flat near to bottom. If you look at the 2-hour chart, see it is getting the support here, it is getting the resistance there. So in between this zone, I will not recommend you to trade. Any breakout above and below will be a very good level to go short or stay long. See on the downside, the support at 2190 is strong, and then 2180 is very strong. See, and similarly, if you look at the stochastic is near to bottom, the MACD is trading flat and it is bearish. RSI is trading flat. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, getting the support here at 2200, resistance there on the upside from 2210. Any breakout beyond 2210 will be a very good entry to go long for 2220, which is a very strong resistance, and beyond the 2230, 2250 levels. On the downside, breaking below 2200, we may see a little drop on the downside towards 2195, 2190 and below levels. Stochastic is crossing over for a sell entry. MACD is trading flat and parallel in red. RSI is curving downwards, indicating little bit of bearishness. Similarly, if you come back to the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, getting the support here, again the same resistance there in between these 10 points or $0.1. We have to be very cautious while taking a position. Directional movement is bearish on the 4-hour chart. Stochastic is trying to converge and crossover for a sell entry. RSI, MACD trading parallel and it is trading bearish. RSI is slightly trading with a negative slope. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, one can see previous 2 candles here. Previous 2 candles, lower highs, lower lows, indicating that it is trying to trade bearish, but at the same time it has to break one of the channels. If it doesn't, we may see a drop sharply on the downside, breaking below 2180. So the lower end of this channel is at 2180 for the day. And yes, if it breaks past 2210, definitely go long for 2220, 2224 levels, and beyond that it is going to give you stronger rise till towards 2250 levels. At the same time, once it breaks below 2200, the next support levels at around 2195, then 2190 will come into picture, and 2180 is going to be the strongest support, which it has always been. So any break below 2180, there could be a sharper fall. So what it is trying to do, it is trying to give you a red candle there, but still not confirming that it is trying to trade bearish, because it is still very much in this channel. Achieving the lows there, it can try to reverse back a bit to trap you. It can drop, then it may rise. I will be looking forward to it. I will be looking forward to an exciting day, but till 2180, I will not consider that as a bearish move. It can bounce back again, so trade with caution, trade accordingly. See, the directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trading parallel in green. And if you look at the RSI trading flat, considering this, I'll be expecting this to act little bit bearish, and one can remain short below 2200. The nearest resistance at 2195, then 2190. These 2 levels you watch out for, and then 2180. 2180 is a very strong support level for the day, so watch out for that. Any move below that will take it sharply on the downside till towards 2160, 2150, and then on the downside, sky's the limit. 2140 is a very strong support. On the upside, breaking beyond 2210, go long for 2220, and then if it breaks 2220, 2240 and 2250 will be the next targets. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss. Do not forget to put your stop loss at cost whenever your trade is in profit trade. Reach out to me for joining my mentorship batch or my signals group. My email ID and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.